All right, so those are the answers to the problems that you try for yourself. And then just a couple more that have a few things that we need to talk about. This is unique because it does not equal 0 very easily. Like if I added 6 to both sides, you wouldn't be able to factor because what's going on over here? This is being multiplied. So what you need to do first is you need to multiply that r so that it's r squared minus 5r equals negative 6. Now you can add the 6 over to the side. So you have r squared minus 5r plus 6 equals 0. And then you can go from there and solve it. So we've got r, would be, so 6 and negative 5. So 1 and 6, 2 and 3. I need a positive, so they've both got to be that. So negative 2, I feel like I just did that one, minus 3. So r could equal 2 or 3. Now on this next one, we have to distribute something a little bit bigger. We have to distribute a 4x. So it'll be 8x squared plus 12x equals 36. Now you subtract the 36, so 8x squared plus 12x minus 36 equals 0. And we're going to factor from there. So let's see, what goes into both? All of those have a common factor of 4. So I've got 4 and then 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. 4, and then you have to do 2 times negative 9, so negative 18, and added together is 3. So we've got, let's see, 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, there we go. So it would be negative 3 and positive 6. So if you want to do your grouping, you would have 2x squared minus 3x plus 6x minus 9 equals 0. And you can solve it like that, or you can do it my way, which is x minus 3x plus 6, and then divide those by a, which was 2. So you get 2x minus 3 and x plus 3. All right, and then you solve by setting each factor that has a variable equal to 0. So 4 doesn't have a variable, so either 2x minus 3 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. This one's easier, so negative 3 or x equals 3 over 2 or x equals negative 3. There we go. Oh my, what a doozy. What a challenging question. If you want to challenge yourself and do that, you should do that. Pause the video, see if you can figure it out. But this would just be for fun. I'm not going to give you a question like this. But I'll do it. So pause the video if you want to try. Otherwise, you can just stop and come back and see me in Zoom. So this would be 2x squared plus 6x equals, now I got a FOIL over here, 3x squared plus 9x plus x plus 3, 2x squared plus 6x equals 3x squared plus 10x plus 3. I have to set that equals 0. So it'll be easier actually if I move the left to the right, so minus 2x squared minus 6x minus 6x. So I'm going to have 0 equals x squared plus 4x plus 3. And you can switch it. If you don't like the 0 on that side, which I don't, you can rewrite it. Commutative property, or actually symmetric property, or reflexive property. Let's see. So x plus 3 and x plus 1, 0. X equals negative 3, or x equals negative 1. If you got that, great job.